Just outside Skopje lies Matka Canyon, one of Macedonia's most breathtaking natural wonders. Surrounded by steep cliffs and crystal clear waters, it's home to medieval monasteries, hidden caves, and some of Europe's deepest underwater passages. Whether you're kayaking, hiking, or simply soaking in the views, Matka is the perfect escape into nature's beauty.
All right, guys, welcome back to another beautiful day in Macedonia.
Or it's only 35 degrees today.
35 degrees, so it's still hot. We're currently at Matka Canyon. So we're at the dam at the moment. We're going to be going through on a boat. Tracy won't go on a kayak, so we'll go on a boat. We'll see what it is to do around the area. Beautiful views behind us, so make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and follow our adventures today in
Matka.
Matka in Macedonia. So let's go. All right, it's a beautiful day. This is the dam section. Tracy's walking up a nice little trail. Beautiful water, and you walk up through there. Took us about 20 minutes to walk where the taxi dropped us off from the bottom of the hill there, and it was, how much was it? It was 1,000 dinar, which is about 15 euro, and it took us about, what, 35-40 minutes in a taxi from Skopje. You can catch a bus, but I think it was an hour and a half in between buses, so we got there and it was still about 45-50 minutes. So
buses aren't regular.
Not regularly enough.
45 minutes from the bus.
Yeah, so we decided to jump in a taxi. But we've arrived here and we're going to see what there's. Some little cafes and all that around here. And I think you can get on little boat tours around. So let's go and see what we can get up to. All right, this is what we're going to do today. I think we're going to get on one of these boats. Tracy's walking down. It's a nice little area here. Nice little things. See where we can catch the boat from. I think the boats are down here. Oh, that's where you catch the boats from. Let's have a look. Oh, look at the canyon, beautiful canyon with the water. And you can get on the two-seater for half an hour, which is 300 dinar. And the single ones there, I think they were 200. But I don't know how much the boats are yet. We'll have to find out what the boats are. And they take you up into the canyon up there. So that's what we're going to do, Trey. Yep. Jump on one of these boats.
Where do you get?
We'll get tickets from behind us and we'll go up into the canyon, so we show what the beautiful canyon is. But we're definitely going to go for a swim because it's a beautiful day today. So
sorry, I'm not a fan of kayaks.
No kayaks for Tracy, you know that. All right, let's go and get a ticket. All right, Trey, we're about to get on. 200 dinar each. So that's
down the canyon?
Yeah, I don't know.
How long's the ride?
Not sure.
We're not sure.
Let's just jump on the boat and find out. We'll get on this boat here, it looks like. Get on with this family. Nice little floating platforms. Oh, the canyon looks beautiful. Look at that, there's the dam just there. All right, I think so. Let's just jump on the boat and have a nice sail down the Matka Canyon. Alrighty, we're on, we've made it. This is the boat. Alrighty, let's go. Look at the canyon down there, beautiful. I think there's some caves and all that around here as well, so we might go down to the caves. Over there, I don't know if you can see it, they look like dog kennels. They're there for the ducks, straight there. Alright, let's go, and there's some kayakers up here already. Look at that beautiful canyon. Amazing. Like it, Trey? Yeah, looking good. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, it's water freezing? Can't wait to go for a swim. Oh, there's an old church over there. All right, what a beautiful view. Absolutely amazing. I think the boat ride's probably about half an hour, about 15-20 minutes up, so about 40 minutes all up. Now we're starting to make our way back. It's absolutely beautiful. As I said, you can catch the kayaks or you can come up here on the boat. But there's a walking trail all the way up here, and I know there's cave systems all the way through here, so I'll find out where the caves are. There's a walking track on the side of the cliff just in front of us there. It goes all the way up. It's far too hot to walk today. It's 37 degrees now. To walk on that mountain edge we just fry. So it's a beautiful boat ride. It only costs us a couple of, I think it's about $5 Australian each. So it's pretty good, not too bad for a boat ride. And the scenery is absolutely spectacular. So we'll head back. Well, there's a little restaurant there, so we'll probably go and get a bite to eat, and I'll show you what the food is like in the little canyon here. All right, Trey just got off the 45 minutes.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
There's a nice little cruise down the canyon down there.
Now we're going to get some food.
We're going to get some food to fill her belly up. All right, guys, we found a nice little restaurant to eat in, overlooking the water there. Look at that. I'll show you. This is where we caught the boats from before. Nice little restaurant. This is where our food's just arrived. Oh, what have you got, hun? Oh, look at the size of that salad. So it's some sort of Macedonian salad. And I've got Italian pasta. So yeah, that was, it is a very expensive restaurant. Not expensive for Macedonia, it's reasonably priced for Australia. But I mean, look at the location we're at, so you're going to pay overs. All right, you're going to have a taste of your salad?
Yeah.
What's that on top? Is that beef?
No, pistachio.
Oh, pistachio. Oh, it's some sort of meat, cured meat. Nice. Ooh, and I've got a really nice dressing on the side.
Because they give you so much.
Yeah. All right. All right, we're going to eat this and then we're going to go for a swim. We're going for a swim, Trey?
We're going to find a place.
Yeah, we're going to go for a swim after this, and we're going to enjoy this food, and we'll show you where we're going to swim in shortly. That's alrighty. We've just finished eating in the nice little church behind us, Trey. Let's have a look. Nice little church. There it is there. So we just fed our bellies.
That lunch was delicious.
Delicious.
It was pistachio. I can't say it. Sesame.
Prosciutto.
Sesame salad is what I had.
So she had a salad, I had the pasta. It was 1,620, 2 drinks and the 2 meals, which is about 47 Australian. It is expensive for Macedonia, but you've got to understand where the location is. Middle of nowhere, right on the water there.
Places where you can get
it was really good quality food.
Beautiful food.
So now let's go for a swim.
Yep, swim.
Let's go and find a place to go for a swim. All right. Yep. All right, guys, we found this absolutely superb swimming hole to get out of this heat. This is where all the locals obviously coming down and swim. Nice little deep hole there. The kids are jumping off. Oh, they're even washing themselves. Beautiful down there. And we've just come up from down there. There's all shops up, little cafes and shops up there. Not too many. The kids are jumping off the water there. And we're crossing the bridge. All right, let's go for a nice swim. Let's walk across this bridge, go for a nice cool down, and then we'll head back into the city of Skopje.
Okay, that was freezing. So Gary jumped in, looked like it was freezing. I was watching, jumped in, went, oh my God, and everyone was looking at him. It's coldest water has ever been.
It was without a doubt the coldest water I've ever jumped into in my whole entire life.
And I was killing myself laughing and didn't get in.
I thought I was going to have a heart attack. Honestly. When I took that first breath, I thought, oh no, I'm going to be floating down the river. People are going to be watching me float down there. It's just so cold, but it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful scenery. The bloke said it was next to me. I filmed him actually jumping in. He said it was actually even colder yesterday. It's warming up.
Warming up?
Yeah, warming up.
Freezing.
I'm standing in a little puddle right now, right there, and the water is absolutely like ice. But all right, we've had a nice day here.
Yeah.
We're going to jump in a taxi and go back into town. We're going to show you the town overnight.
Overnight, going to have a rest.
And then we'll show you the city overnight because it looks really beautiful. And then we'll end the video down there. All right, let's jump in a cab and head back to the city. We've had a great day so far.
Okay.
All right, in the old town, Trace, there's a lot more lively overnight, isn't it?
We were here the other day and it was dead.
There was nobody in here during the day. So we just had a bite to eat, and we're going to show you the main square overnight. It looks really nice. So we're walking through the old town here, and there's lots of cafes, gelatos, heaps of cafe and restaurants and souvenir shops, isn't there?
Still about 30 degrees.
It's 33 back there on the sign.
Oh, 33.
Yeah.
There you go.
But it's really nice in here overnight in the old bazaar. So make sure you come down here during the night and see the old bazaar during the night, not during the day, because there's it was deserted, wasn't it, during the day?
Everybody's here for night time because it's 7 degrees cooler.
Yeah. So definitely come down here tonight. All right, we're going to head over to the Macedonian Square, and I'll show you what's over there. All right, guys, we just walked over to Macedonian Square. You can see overnight it's a lot more lively. The big statue of Alexander the Great there, and they even got a big screen TV. We just walked over from the old bazaar just across the stone bridge there, but everyone comes out during the night around here, and there's even a casino there connected to the Marriott there. So we've had a big day today, very hot day. So we're going to pack the video up here. Hope you enjoyed it. Finished the gelato. Tracy's eaten. I didn't get one because she stole the last one.
She is a liar.
All right, so we're going to head down to Oakwood tomorrow. So we're going to catch the bus down there, and we're going to spend 3 days there, and then we're off to Albania. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.